Today, YouTube, we are going to be looking at the Model 940 H&R. H&R ceased production in 2015, so in about 20 years' time, all their guns are going to go up in value. We have the arm pivot screw, which keeps that from popping out. It's a replacement one. Keeps the cylinder from popping out. I had it at a weird angle. There we go. Goes in just like that. Screw goes in right here. They have two variants. They have a silver and then they have a blued. This one is considered the navy blue. They also have a Model 940 that's the something silver. It's some weird old-fashioned name. These were made 40 years ago. Some of them were 50 years ago. They have the 929. You just stick in that little hole and you, well, like your wife, you screw it. And make sure you don't strip it. I've read from the H&R website that these do strip easily, and after that it shouldn't pop out. These do come loose, as I've been told by the H&R people and as I've experienced. Also, as you see these grips, I'm aiming it at me. Don't worry, I'm safe. It's not loaded. I've never seen grips like these before. They don't even have H&R branding on them from what I can tell. This one looks fine, but when you turn it over, it's cracked. Someone dropped it. The police officer that owned this before me dropped it, or that's the story that's been told to me through the serial number and the person that sold it. So I ordered plastic grips because the wooden ones were really expensive. The plastic ones will run you $25.10 on eBay. That's after tax, and maybe your taxes are different. I just cut through my receipt. Oops. But yeah, I got the pearl plastic grips, pearl resin. Oh wow. Look at that. It's actually pretty nice looking. I honestly prefer the wooden ones, but like I said, I couldn't find any, and they're not branded by H&R, so when I went on their website, I didn't see any of these. I saw some white ones, and I saw some they had an American flag one, but that one was $40 just for plastic. I don't know how these will feel. I don't know if they'll even match up, and it looks like they do. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, it looks like they'll match up, and it has the H&R logo. So these may be custom made. Police officers at the time, I think they actually allowed you to customize your guns back then. And these ones, the Cellar Cylinder does not come with screws, because these screws aren't made for H&R weapons anymore. So if you lose yours, you're honestly screwed. Test out this one. Okay. Let's see this. If you can tell me if I'm matching this up when I screw it in, because I don't want it to dangle on the side. And it looks like, okay, we do have an issue. I see what it is. I thought that was going to be a problem. This piece right here, there's also a piece here, but this piece is kind of cracked on her, and it's bigger. So if I wanted to,
drill it a little bit.
I would have to get something to cut this off.
It needs a razor.
Yeah. Otherwise it's gonna snap this whole thing. She didn't make a... Let me check this one. Okay. And that's why, yep, I would have to.
You just need to drill it. Because look, it's drilled.
Yeah. Damn. Alright.
You want to pop it?
Yeah. Yesterday, we did get it finished. It's a new day because we were pretty busy. We had to go to Nashville, Indiana for some video and a football game. But here's what the Model 940 looks like with the new grips on it. These were made by Tillander on eBay. I'll post a screenshot in the video probably. She took a mold of original H&R grips and then transferred them into plastic resin material. I believe that I love the wooden look, but I also believe that with the white grips it makes it look more modern. And it did not fit, as you could tell on the video yesterday, so we had to take my box cutter. We can't show it on YouTube because YouTube doesn't let you do gun customization videos anymore. We had to take a box cutter, chop off a little plastic piece that was keeping it risen above the grip handle, and then I had to take a hex screw and drill into it, like just twist it left, right, left, right, left, right, until it actually fit flat. So if you are buying these and expecting them to just fit, no, you will have to do a little adjustment. It was not tedious at all. But yeah, I'm actually really happy. I think it looks better with these, but I do love the wooden grip as well. But I would highly recommend Tillander on eBay.